Kumusta ka negosyo? Welcome everyone to our 21st anniversary celebration. Today, we're not just celebrating another year. We're celebrating every challenge we overcame, every milestone we achieved, and every person who became part of our journey. Tara, sawahan niyo kami sa aming 21st anniversary party.
Happy 21st anniversary, LLC! More sales to come!
Nagpapasalamat po kami sa Diyos na umabot ang LIC ng 21 years na hindi namin ina-expect talagang aabot ng ganito. May awa ang Diyos na magtagal ang LIC at umunlad.
I would like to take this opportunity para magpasalamat muna sa Diyos and sa mga clients na nagtiwala for the trust they have given us. Na na-reach namin ang 21 years of doing and serving our customers. So, maraming salamat po sa tiwala and loobin itong 21 years ay maging pasimula palalo para pag-igihin pa namin ang may bibigay na serbisyo sa aming mga customers. Maraming salamat.
LIC Printing Shop, your partner in growth.